Hi, if you want to change App Store, country and region on iPhone 16e, then let's start by opening App Store. Here, in the top right corner, you should see this circle, which is actually your profile icon. So by clicking it, you can find country and region tab in this list. And for that, you need to select your account again, like that. Enter its password, of course. So I'm gonna do it quickly. And click to sign in. Now let's wait a few seconds. And here just select country and region. Wait again. And then click blue option to change it. Scroll through the list, find your option, then click it, agree to new terms and conditions. And here you need to enter payment method, or you can choose none. And here set billing address, then tap next, and changes will be immediately saved. So that's it for today. If this video was helpful, please subscribe, like, and comment. And I wish you all the best. Bye bye.